In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template on Clickup. Welcome! Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful features of Clickup, the all-in-one workspace app that's been revolutionizing how teams work together. Templates in Clickup are not just about saving time, they're about creating a standardized way of handling tasks, projects, and even entire workflows within your team. Let me guide you through the process of setting up a template in Clickup step by step. Whether you're aiming to streamline your project management process or ensure consistency across your team's efforts, mastering template creation in Clickup is a valuable skill. First, let's navigate to the heart of Clickup. Make sure you're sitting comfortably as we're about to embark on a journey that will enhance your productivity. Open your preferred web browser and type in Clickup trademark vertical bar the everything app for work. This will take you directly to Clickup's homepage where the magic begins. Now it's time to enter your digital keys to this powerful kingdom. On Clickup's homepage, look for the login link and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take a moment to double check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you've filled in your email, the next step is to enter your password. Remember, your password is the guard to your work's kingdom, so type it in carefully. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's always the option to reset it. Now with your credentials filled in, it's time to click on Login. If the anticipation is building up about what you're about to accomplish, that's perfectly normal. You're on the verge of unlocking seamless project management capabilities. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Clickup home screen. This is where your journey really begins. The home screen, or should I say your command center, is where you can access all your tasks, projects, and much more. For our purposes today, locate the home button to ensure you're starting from the right place, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces. Now here's where the fun begins. Look for the Create Items icon. It's your gateway to starting new projects, tasks, and most importantly for us, creating new templates. Click on this icon and a world of productivity tools opens up to you. Among the options presented, you'll find Template. This is the golden tool we've been talking about. Clicking on Template brings you closer to creating your customizable template, a step that signifies you're on the path to streamlining your work processes. Upon clicking Template, you're presented with various options. Each represents a different kind of template that Clickup offers, designed to cater to various aspects of your work. From project templates to workflow templates, the choice is yours. Choose the one that best fits what you're looking to streamline. This selection is crucial, as it determines the structure and framework of your upcoming tasks or projects. Selecting a template is not just about choosing, it's about visualizing how this template will play out in your daily work routine. Think about the repetitive tasks you handle, the projects that have similar timelines, or the workflows that your team follows on a cycle. By selecting a template that closely matches these needs, you're setting yourself and your team up for success, ensuring that everyone is on the same page from the get-go. And there you have it. You've just navigated the process of creating a template in Clickup. This tool tailored by you, for you, is designed to save those precious minutes, enforce consistency, and elevate your team's productivity to new heights. Remember, the power of templates lies not just in their creation, but in their strategic application. The more you utilize them, the more you'll find ways to optimize your workflow, making Clickup an invaluable asset in your work management arsenal. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. I hope it has illuminated the path towards a more streamlined, efficient way of managing your tasks and projects in Clickup. If you have any questions or would like to explore more features, feel free to delve deeper into Clickup's offerings. Until next time, keep organizing, keep optimizing, and most importantly, keep creating.